Whether it's your smart speakers, refrigerators, or even your robot vacuum, life's a breeze when all your home tech and smart appliances work in sync. But when they start breaking down, it can send your day into complete chaos. But don't worry, we've got some tips to help make your life a little easier before it happens. Ever feel like the more smart devices you buy for your home, the harder it is to keep track of the warranties for each and every one of them? You're not alone. In fact, a typical US household today has an average of 17 connected devices compared to 10 devices 5 years ago. And with children, you have even more. It could add up to over $18,000 worth of smart home devices and appliances. So when a bunch of your devices decide to break down all at once, you're left to comb through all that warranty and paperwork. Or worse, call up every manufacturer's tech support only to find out the issue might not be covered by your warranty. And what if that warranty is limited or has expired? Most smart home devices come with a manufacturer's limited warranty of 1 to 2 years and cover certain types of repairs and defects, but not accidents like drops or spills. But when you take good care of your devices, they can last you for years, well beyond the warranty period. So you might have to find other ways to get your device repaired after it expires. And what if you need help getting your device set up? Let's say you recently bought a smart doorbell, but after hours of struggling with installation, searching countless YouTube videos, and even calling the device's tech support, it's still not connecting to your smart hub. While you might think your device was faulty and end up returning it out of frustration, the source of the glitch could be from your old Wi-Fi router. Traditional tech support services might not even be aware of the problem. Most of them aren't trained to troubleshoot devices from other brands. Then you end up wasting money and time going after the wrong diagnosis. You might want to consider a protection plan, which can also offer expert repairs and 24-hour support. Look for one that's comprehensive and covers multiple devices or appliances in a single plan. Think about it. An extended warranty for some of your appliances and devices may extend your warranty for an extra year, but you don't want to have to fumble over multiple warranties or worry about expirations while you're enrolled. Learn more about tech care from Asurion. It's coverage for thousands of devices, 24/7 support, and fast repairs or replacements. Visit Asurion.com/techcare. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.